Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. And it is completed, the 2022 Ford F150. This is how beautiful it looks now. Nothing compared to the original first picture, right? Beautiful finish. And we have these kits in more than 60 different colors, stitch combination, piping, quilting, diamonds, double hex, you name it, we carry all of them. Just visit LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or any inquiry for your vehicle, please put it in the chat, put it in the comments. Let me go to the other side, because even when it's a little late right here, I want you to appreciate the beauty of this factory kit, because it's completely to another level compared to what you see guys in the beginning. Completely different, beautiful installation, and yes, you can do it yourself. There is tutorials on Upholstery Technology, the channel on YouTube. And again guys, if you have any inquiry, any questions, put it in the comments. And subscribe so you are notified about the next vehicles that we are gonna be beautifying, ditching horrible, stinky cloth seats by LeatherTeck. New, beautiful, comfortable leather seats. See you in the next one guys.